So number 5 in your review says a ball is dropped from 200 inches and after its first bounce, rebounds to 80 inches. If the ball continues to bounce, what will the ball rebound to after a second bounce? What about the third? And we want to write an equation. So this is similar to our bouncy ball activity. You can see I drew a table over here with our N and T events. We know that this is going to be a sequence because you cannot have half of a bounce. Remember, sequences are discrete. So I have our initial height is 200 inches, and then after one bounce, it is 80 inches. So since this is going to be a geometric equation, we're going to divide 80 by 200. This is called our rebound ratio. So 80 divided by 200 is 0.4. That's considered our multiplier in our geometric sequence. So in our sequence, it should have been T of n is equal to, we have 0.4 to the end, again, that's considered our multiplier, times our initial value of 200. So there's our initial value. To determine the rebound height after the second and third bounce, we can plug 2 and 3 in for n to determine those heights. So we plug 2 in for n, and once we calculate that out, we get after 2 bounces, it'll be 32 inches, and then after 3 bounces, it'll be 12.8 inches.